Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to Grizzly Mountain Downhill Diecast Raceway Series 19, race number 3. Let's meet our drivers. Joseph bringing back Darth Vader. Now that we've improved the track a little bit, fixed some of those problems. Barrett driving the McLaren Solus GT. Sammy, a 2018 Camaro SS. That's a Hot Wheels ID car, by the way. And Lorelei driving her 70 Roadrunner in brilliant green. Round 1, top of the mountain. The Roadrunner is in lane 1. 3, 2, 1. Go! And they're off. Roadrunner in the back. McLaren and McLaren out front takes a little bump there. And Roadrunner barely clears the jump. So let's look at that in slow motion. That is the Darth Vader car, followed by Camaro. Good jump. McLaren flips over. Joseph, 5 points. Sammy, 3. Barrett, 2. Lorelei, 1. We have decided that to get any points, you do have to clear the jump at least. So, round 2, Batman in Batmobile. Lane 1. Here we go. And Batmobile way out front. Remember, he was so fast in the last race. He just thought it was unfair that jump was knocking him out of contention. That is a great-looking jump. Batmobile, McLaren, Camaro. A lot of money in the air, tumbling and crashing. And the Roadrunner did not make it. So Joseph, 10 points. Sammy, 5. Barrett, 5. And Lorelei, 1. So round 3. Roadrunner is in lane 3. Here we go. Looks like this time McLaren out for... But the camera car flipped over and crashed. Let's do it again. The McLaren was way out front. Okay, I feel better. He's out front again. Nice little jumps over that. And McLaren. Batmobile. And Camaro. That's the special music we hold off for some specific, particularly amazing jumps. So round 4, here we go. Now this could be a close finish. You see a couple cars tangle there. I think that's Batmobile and McLaren. That's not good. The points are close. So we that's a mess. Let's look at that in slow motion, instant replay. Those cars were tangled together, jumping together, bouncing together. And who's going to finish first or the furthest? Batmobile. And then the Camaro slides past the McLaren. So, Joseph, 18 points. He's our winner. Barrett, 12 points. 11 and then 1. So Joseph, nice job. We'll catch you next time for race number 4 for now. Mr. Johns is out.